Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new way crypto box where you can get free crypto. You just need to go your Binance account. Here you can see we have many options. It will take some time to get there. Here you can see we have many options. The first one is Binance Academy, then referral, feed, earn and more. You just need to click on more, and this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see we have options here: recommend, then common functions, then we have gift and campaign. You just need to go to your gift and campaign. In third line you can see we have crypto box. You just need to click here, and I will provide you link in the description. And crypto box link, enter box code. I will provide you box code in description. You just need to paste that box code here and click on claim now. Then you can see how much crypto you can earn from this website. You will get XEC crypto today from this crypto box. And in future, if you want to get a more crypto box code and more earning video, you just need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my coming latest video.